See that blue painter's tape on the ceiling? This is the kitchen of a house I'm performing a 12-month warranty inspection for. And I always check to make sure that all of the HVAC registers have been installed. As you can see, this one has not made it through the ceiling. So what happens when the HVAC register doesn't make it through the ceiling? The cold air will create condensation in the attic space. That can create water damage. And you can see that little piece of tape right there. I heated it up with my hands before I stuck it up. And this is where we have the HVAC register that just hasn't made it through the ceiling. This is a 12-month warranty inspection. Over time, that would cause condensation in the attic. That would create mold. And you have mold, you have wood-destroying organisms are attracted to the moisture. So this could create a lot of problems. 12-month warranty inspection.